In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register as a delivery rider for delivery jobs in Ireland. If you're looking to embark on this journey, whether as a full-time gig or a part-time hustle, I'm here to guide you through each step of the registration process. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Deliveroo's official rider website at rider.deliveroo.ie. This is the online portal specifically designed to help potential riders apply and get started. Once you're on the site, locate the menu button. It's typically in the top corner of the page. Give that a tap, and from the drop down options you're going to see one labelled Apply to be a rider. Click on it. This option is your gateway to starting your registration process. Now, you'll be directed to a page where you should see an Apply Now button. Go ahead and tap on that. This is the point where Deliveroo officially gets to know you and your intention of joining their fleet of riders. They'll start by asking about your motivation. So when you are prompted to choose the main reason you'd like to ride for Deliveroo, be honest and consider what truly drives you. Whether it's the flexibility, the exercise, or perhaps the prospect of earning additional income. Your next step is to specify your preferred work location. It's essential to select the city where you'll be riding, as this influences the area you'll be delivering in. If you're in a major city in Ireland, make sure to choose it here. That helps Deliveroo to understand where their demand is being met and where more riders are needed. Once you've settled on a location, you'll be asked to fill out some basic information. This includes details like your full name, email address, and phone number. Be precise with this information, as these details will become the primary modes of contact once you start delivering. Next, you'll choose your delivery method. Here, you'll decide whether you'll be using a car, scooter, or bicycle. This decision might depend on what's available to you or the kind of infrastructure and traffic you're comfortable navigating in your chosen city. Finally, you'll need to upload some required documents. These include your ID, proof of your right to work in Ireland, and a driver's license if applicable. If you plan on using a vehicle, don't forget your insurance details. Also, you'll need to provide your bank details so Deliveroo knows where to send your earnings. It's crucial to ensure that all these documents are current and accurate to prevent any delays in your registration. After you've uploaded everything, follow any other prompts you may see. They'll guide you if there's any further information needed or additional steps to complete. And there you have it, you're all set on the path to becoming a Deliveroo rider. Take a breather, double check everything, and get ready to join the delivery community.